welcome back. As you guys saw in the title, we are going to be making some Cajun garlic butter sauce for our seafood boil. Today is game day and I'm so excited. I can't wait to watch the game and eat these crab legs and shrimp with this sauce. So excited. I'm going to make sure that I have the ingredients and the recipe down in the description. And before we get into the next part of this video, make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and make sure you guys comment. Let me know if you guys made this recipe and let me know how it tasted. Let's get started. Okay, y'all, so first things first is we need some butter. Now, this is what I'm going to be using, margarine, Blue Bonnet. I'm going to use about half of this container here. This is a 45-ounce container, so I'm going to use about half of that. Okay. And you can use Parquet, you can use, what's that other one called? What's it called? Hold on. I got it in here somewhere. Country Crock, you can use that. You can use regular butter, like real butter. I would use at least a pound of real butter. All right, so we're gonna wait for that to melt. And while we're waiting for that to melt, I'm going to show you what other ingredients we need. So first thing I have here is Cajun Seasoning. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of that. Okay. Our next one is going to be our Old Bay. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of that. Okay. Our next one is going to be our lemon pepper. And we're going to use 2 tablespoons of that. Okay. Our next thing is going to be our Cayenne here. We're just going to use 1 teaspoon. I don't want it to be too spicy. It's just going to be me and my daughter eating this, so I don't want it to be too spicy for her. Okay, so I got 1 teaspoon of that. All right, and for our paprika, we're going to use about a tablespoon of that. Okay, and then our next 2 ingredients, these are ingredients that I like, and these are optional, so you don't have to add these if you don't want to, but these are ingredients that I like in mine. So I'm going to use oregano, and I'm just going to use 1 teaspoon. Okay, and then the next one is pepper. I like extra pepper in mine. Okay, so we're just gonna add just a little bit more pepper. This is a 1/4 teaspoon, probably not even that. Well, yeah, that's good. 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, y'all, so our butter is melted, and now we're gonna add our garlic. I have 2 heads of garlic here, 2 heads, probably about 10 cloves, and this is what I use, these type here. You can use this kind, the kind that's already minced, but it's not gonna have that garlic flavor that you really want. So it's better to use fresh garlic. So I have 2 heads here. I'm gonna put this in. And I am gonna simmer this for a little bit. You just want to get that garlic infused in this butter here. Okay, so I'm gonna let that simmer for about 5 minutes, and then I will be right back. Okay, y'all, now that that has simmered about 5 minutes, that garlic is smelling so good, it's time to add the seasoning. So this is all the seasoning that we added to the bowl earlier. We're just gonna pour this in. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. Got pretty color. It's smelling so good, y'all. All right, so now we are gonna let this simmer a couple more minutes, about 4 to 5 minutes. And then we're gonna come back, we're gonna add the lemon, and it is going to be ready. You hear me? I have my lemons here. I have 3 lemons here that I'm gonna juice in here. So let's go ahead and do that. Now is the moment of truth. I have the sauce here. I poured it in here so I can pour it over my seafood boil. Let's see what it's looking like. Oh my goodness, look at all that garlic. Mmm. Delicious. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys make the recipe, please comment and let me know. Let me know how it tastes to you guys. This here is the finished product. Me and my daughter about to grub. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Come back and see me on my next videos. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.